Serious question. Why is everyone besides me skinny? I feel like my eating habits haven't changed in the past couple of years, but I can't stop gaining weight. So let's go in the kitchen and figure out what I'm doing wrong. I know I want sausage, eggs, and toast for breakfast. And this is what I usually make, so I know I'm not doing anything wrong. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of oil, but all I have is stainless steel. I can't help it. This is me realizing I can get an oil spray, so I use less oil. Let's talk freely, guys. Is it a Nigerian thing? Or is it just a thing with growing older? Because I don't understand. And I've tried skipping breakfast, trust me. It worked in the past, but now I just feel lightheaded. I'm always making something easy, so I'm not eating too much. And they say to include protein in your breakfast, so I'm even using 2 eggs like a good girl. And I didn't add extra oil in the pan. My body must be playing jokes on me. There's been another cut. I normally slice that much bread, but today I decided to slice this much off. Does that matter? Then I toast the bread to burn off some extra calories. And that's honestly my breakfast, guys. What am I doing wrong? It's just a piece of bread, some eggs, and sausage. And I think it's even healthy.